Hi guys, this is Maddie with Sacred Space Gardens, and we're back here at a property that we redid a wild space that I had shown you in a previous video. So I wanted to talk a little bit more about some of the things that we did and just go through some of the cool features of the garden. So we've got these really great stones that we laid down on a path. At first it was just going to be a mulch path, but we thought the stones would really bring out the path and like highlight it. So we chose a stone that is I'll show you over here, is like a multi-color. It's got swirls of color, it's orange. Our client wanted kind of an orange pinkish tan, so this turned out to be the perfect stone. And it's just a thick slab of kind of like a sandstone, so you need to do a really thick slab of it to make sure that it doesn't break under the weight of people walking. We did find that thinner slabs would crack in half, so we had a little trial and error there, but we found out what works best for this path and that what will work best for years to come. So we've got this great stone path here that comes around the bend here, and then it goes out towards the back gate over here, so I feel really great about that. I wanted to highlight a few of the plants that we planted or things that we moved around. There was a lot of plants here in the path, so we moved some things. We saved this beautiful yarrow that's got these bright purple flowers. Yarrow is a really beautiful plant to put in your garden. It's medicinal, it's got great flowers. It does spread a little bit, so it'll start shooting off and spreading, so making sure that it stays in a contained space is good. I wanted to highlight two other yarrows that we planted from when we installed more plants. We've got these bright yellow flowers here and this kind of bluish leaves, which I thought were just spectacular. I added two echinaceas. We've got the pink and the yellow. Those plants will get pretty big. They spread just a little bit, but also they've just got these big beautiful blooms and are really great for pollinators. Let's see, we're gonna come over here and look at a few others that are under the shade of this giant birch tree, which is spectacular. We've got a heuchera, which is called Coral Bells, which is just beautiful with these pink flowers and purple foliage. I couldn't not get them. And then here's another Coral Bells. It's a heuchera plant. Super beautiful. That one will get bigger too. We've got two types of columbine that we planted. She did ask that we leave clover, so we actually left a nice clover plant here, and she wants the clover to spread. Bees like it, it fills in, it looks nice. She wants these beds to get more wild looking, so we left some things that will fill in the space. We left bleeding hearts that has white flowers, and then let's just highlight a few over here. We've got two pincushion flowers that have these beautiful purple flowers, and they're going to get a little bit bigger there. We've got an eastern red bud with the northern variety that does well in Minnesota. As you can see, this tree that we planted is leaning a little bit. So today we're going to stake it up. We had a lot of heavy rains last night for a long time last night. So we're going to go ahead and stake it up so it grows up straight, because that can happen with the baby trees, and we meant to stake it a day before, so it's looking pretty healthy there. And then for the last plant I wanted to talk about was this red fox speedwell, and we planted 3 of them along the curve here, and they get these tall spikes of pink flowers, which I thought were so cool. So I just wanted to highlight a few things in the garden here. It's just a really fun project to work on, and we were really happy to be a part of it.